friends! Today I'm going to prepare one of my favorite snacks. Toast with cream cheese and jelly. So you can choose your favorite spread for this activity. I already washed my hands and put on my apron, and I have a piece of toast, some cream cheese, and blackberry jelly. And I have two spreading knives, one for the jelly and one for the cream cheese. So I'm going to start with the cream cheese. I also have a napkin in case I need to wipe my fingers. I'll take some and I start spreading towards me. Make sure you cover all your toast. Take some more and hold your toast and spread the cream cheese. And a little more. And spread carefully so the toast doesn't break. And add just a tiny bit more to make sure there's cream cheese on every bite. Yum, yum, yum. That's it. I'm going to put it here. I actually need to wipe my finger. And now I'm going to spread some jelly. This one's less thick, so it's easier to spread. A little more. Make sure it covers all your toast, all the cream cheese. Scrape, scrape. I don't want to waste anything. And now I can spread it in circles. Yummy, friends. This looks so good. Ready to enjoy it. See you soon. Bye.